Oh, gorgeous!
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We were going to work on that Tacoma bed today, and then I decided to just take the RV across the United States. See you guys later. So we are here today. I was just kidding about taking that RV, but boy, that thing was nice. I don't know whose it was, but it was nice. But we're here today with this beautiful bed that we painted in the last video, and it's not too late. If you'll go to that last video, comment free, you can still get registered to win a super clean. So go to that last video, like, subscribe, and comment free. Hey, check that out. Not every day the Canadian geese get in your video. How about that? But what we're gonna do, there's a bunch of them. What we're going to do is as soon as CC and JP gets here, we're going to scoot this bed into the shop. We're going to scuff it all up on the inside. I mean, really good with like some 80 grit. Then we're going to bust out the bed liner. We're going to get it all bed lined on the inside. Just get it. And hopefully we can bake it for a minute and get this thing set on the truck. I know that's me reaching out there for the stars, but boy, that'd be great. So let's hop to it right now. All right, man, we've been working like crazy, sanding this thing with 80 grit, getting it. You gotta put this stuff on. The rougher it is, the better it sticks. The only thing is we were supposed to get Raptor liner, and JP got the Dominator. I don't even know what that is. What the heck is that?
Dominator made by USC. A little bit better than this Raptor liner he's talking about.
Raptor liner's made by U-Pole, man. It's the best stuff in the country.
I like USC better. USC product better.
Man. So tell us how that can come out in hunks or what?
Yeah, it's going to be chunky. We've got two parts. You got a hardener and you got the resin. Mix them together, part A, part B. Pretty simple. Shake it up for 15 minutes, put it in the gun and spray.
Man.
Easier than Raptor liner.
But it's not as good as Raptor liner.
Easier.
Because Raptor liner is better.
This one comes with a gun.
So does Raptor liner.
Not a good gun.
Yes, it does. It comes with the same thing. They made it the same place.
Different gun.
They made it the same place, man. It's made at the same place. But anyway, it's going to be black. It's going to be beautiful. It's going to be magnificent.
Valspar Automotive top paint line.
Hey, this comes from Lowe's.
No.
My goodness, look at this magnificent. It's magnificent, it's beautiful. It's cement magnificent bed liner. I mean, look at it. Right here, these spiders crawling around on it. But look at it. We decided to go ahead up here at the top and just kind of tape it off and get us, you know, that little rub rail so that you could, you know, when you're putting a 2x4 in there and it skins right there, it won't skin the paint. That's why we did that. But it's got 2 really good heavy coats on it. I mean, it should be really good. We baked it for, how long we baked it?
20 minutes.
20 minutes at 150. So, you know, we was thinking about putting some barbecue in here with it while we was cooking it, but it should be good. I mean, it should be good. It turned out great. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna turn the truck around, we're gonna back it in here, we're gonna throw this bed up on the truck. It's the moment we've been waiting for. We're you know, we love this bed, don't get us wrong. We love it. We like it a lot. But we're tired of working on the bed. I mean, are you?
I'm tired of working on that bed.
Are you?
I'm tired of filming it.
Okay, so that's why we're so happy that today we are a bunch of highly motivated individuals to get this done. So let's get to it right now. My goodness, look at this magnificent bed. Look at this beautiful bed. It you know what? From where this sucker was to where it is today, how many miles has it come?
A long ways.
Like 10 miles?
Yeah.
20 miles?
Yeah. Probably in and out of the shop, probably about 6 miles.
Yeah.
Many times we went in and out.
Yeah, and I love it. You know, I love it. I'm really glad to see it on the truck. I really like the bed liner. I am a big fan of the Raptor liner, as y'all know. But
Dominator's better.
I'm not gonna say, you know, Gatorade's better, you know, whatever.
Water.
But the bed liner did spray pretty good.
Looks good.
It did, and it looks good. We was a little bit afraid to get the gate in it, but I mean, you need to just take them around the truck here and let them look at this beautiful truck, man. Look at that. Could you believe it? Can you believe how good it looks? I mean, we're getting so close on this thing now. I mean, this was out of all the work we done on this truck, this was the hardest. Wouldn't you say? The bed was the hardest.
Yeah, I don't know how many videos we got on that bed, but I bet it's a lot.
Yeah, it was just, you know, to make it look good. I mean, we picked it up for $300. We definitely worked $300 out of it, you know. I mean, we worked it out of it, and it looks, from where it's at to where it is, it smiles. It looks really good. So the next thing we got to do, you know, in the next video, we'll try to finish up putting the taillights in, maybe getting the tailgate back on there, and get it where we can, you know, we can start putting everything back together, don't you think?
I think so. It'll take long to do the tailgate, bumper, taillights.
Yeah, so that's easy stuff. You know, all this eating Bondo for a month, that's been rough. But you know what? It's looking really good. We appreciate you watching. It's not too late. It's not too late to register for Super Clean. So just go back to the last video, like, subscribe, and comment free. Anything else I missed?
I don't think so.
CC, anything I missed?
I think you're good.
I think we're good. So we're thinking about maybe getting some tacos. So you know what? Go ahead and give us a thumbs up on this video. Leave us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.
He's out.